Kozowski. Day 5, the bird is still there. No! Don't you like my new boots?
Don't get scared!
What is it doing?
I don't know.
Is he dancing? Is he? Why me?
It's tickling.
What the frick is he doing?
I'll put him back in the cage. He's a brat.
Get back in. Put his toys back in there first.
I'm gonna get him in there first.
Why?
Because he doesn't need no toys.
He needs... Yeah. Copy paper.
He's right there.
He like moved right by your hand. I'm gonna get behind you. I get scared because I'm afraid he's gonna attack me. He can't go through that tiny hole.
Yes, he's better.
Push him. No, don't push him.
No! No! I can't get through the hole!
I told you he can't. Move it back a little. No, he needs a bit more.
Stop! Stop! Stop!
Can you shut up, please? That'd be nice, thanks.
You just
Press something that I didn't authorize. Give me it, please. Give it to me. I want my phone near that bird. Who do you think I is? Dear Lord.
No! 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 No!
You know, if you make it dark, then he'll think it's nighttime and he'll fall asleep.
No, because then we can't see him.
Just make it dark to him, like put a cloak over him. For reals. Just put a cloak over him and he'll think it's nighttime, so he'll go to sleep and then you can put him back in the cage. So many bright ideas here. He's just staring at that thing.
You're used to it. Alarm clock.
Alarm clock. How old is he?
I'm going like this. You're gonna go like this. He goes some more.
And he stops when you stop. Do it, stop. It's not stopping. Do it.
I think he's used to it.
I think so. How old is he?
I don't know, you got him for me, or your dad did.
I know. Because the other one died. You can't escape.
Here you go.
So do you want him in the cage?
I'm petting him right now.
Or mother and Lindsay and pet bird bonding time. I was gonna say mother and daughter bonding time. And then I'm like, wait, that's not right, is it?
No. No. No.
What is that box gonna do? He looks like a statue.
Okay.
Is he a boy?
Yeah.
How do you know?
Cause.
What if it's a girl? What?
No. No.
I was probably scream. But I'm like, no, I was resist. He's staring at me, and I don't think he blinks.
Come here. Come here. Don't bite me.
What are you doing?
No. No harm. No harm.
I'm safe because the cameraman never dies. But you're not safe. He's gonna eat you.
Stop, please. Stop. No, I asked you to stop. Please. Stop. 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 Thank you.